In Wisconsin, we're really proud of our natural heritage, and we're very lucky that we have a lot of wetlands on our landscape. But it's really important to remember that we've lost half of the wetlands that we once had. The good news is we have a lot of opportunities to both protect and restore wetlands in Wisconsin. Well, at the Wetlands Association, our goal is to work with people and communities to help them care for wetlands. And most people don't recognize that 75% of Wisconsin's remaining wetlands are in private ownership. And we can protect the wetlands we have left in Wisconsin by working with private landowners. At Wisconsin Wetlands Association, we have a lot of resources that we can offer to you. We have a handbook for wetland landowners to help them make decisions about their land. We can offer technical assistance, and we can restore wetlands to areas where we've lost them. One of the hardest things for landowners who might be interested in doing a restoration project is just all the technical skills, the permit processes and the engineering that's required. It can be pretty overwhelming for somebody who wants to get that done. So we partner with the NRCS because they already share the same passion that we have for wetlands, and we can get more done if we work together.
The Natural Resource Conservation Service, our mantra is helping people help the land. So our mission is to provide the resources to landowners, farmers, and producers to do good resource conservation on their land while at the same time maintaining productive lands to feed us all. Our biggest program is the Wetland Reserve Program. We're restoring everything from wetlands all the way up to the grasslands on the uplands.
One of the great things about these programs is that they're voluntary, and they're really truly a partnership between the landowners and the government agency. Everybody comes to the table with their own ideas and goals and talks them through, but it's all part of the conversation and the partnership that really is seeking to get the best they can out of the land for the landowner.
I would say our partners are really one of the biggest building blocks that we have to make this program a success.
The work that NRCS does requires a lot of collaboration, and groups like Wisconsin Wetlands Association certainly helps us as they bring their expertise to the different issues.
Working with the NRCS, we've met so many landowners all across the state who are excited to partner and restore their property. We hear stories about turtles nesting next to garages and families of ducks going across open water. I think we're really excited for all of the opportunities that we have in our state to restore wetlands. We see more people wanting to engage in wetland programming and planning, and we want to be there to support that so that we can all move forward together.